Hey guys, welcome to another video. Josh here. I hope you're doing well. Today I've got a special surprise for you. That's correct, a special surprise. Now, as you're aware, if you've been watching me for a while now, you know how obsessed I am with blue light glasses. I've been searching high and low in the darkest, deepest parts of Amazon, eBay and Instagram for the perfect pair of blue light glasses. I've tried all sorts, all shapes and sizes, and I've racked up quite the bill when it comes to these glasses, and I think today I might just have found it, right? Because I'm going to be showing you a cool new pair of glasses that might be the answer to my problems. Fingers crossed. Let's see if it is. Now, there's this company in the UK called Foxmans Frames, and they were kind enough to send me their pair of glasses, of blue light glasses. That's upside down. Stylish frames for stylish foxes. Yeah, as a stylish fox myself, yeah, I had to check this out, and yeah, I love the box, right? I love the packaging, simple, clean, modern. I love it. They also sent me their stylish clip-ons for stylish foxes as well, so we'll be having a look at both of them. And yeah guys, I don't know, I'm super excited. I'm like a kid at Christmas. I mean, if you look around you, I'm already in the Christmas spirit, but I'm like a kid at Christmas. I can't wait to dive into these glasses, man, and really see what they're about, because like I said, I'm always on the computer, so I'm really interested in protecting my eyes. And guys, of course, I always recommend this as well. If you're on computer all the time or always looking at your phone, invest in a pair of blue light glasses. Your eyes will thank you over time. Yeah, my eyes have surely improved, certainly, over the past few months, using different blue light glasses. So let's see if this is the new king. I think they might be. Let's dive right in. I'm excited. Okay guys, now to the unboxing. Yeah, like I said, these look really nice. I mean, I love the packaging. Do you know what? I really like it when companies package their products very well. Look at this. Stylish clip-ons for stylish foxes, stylish frames for stylish foxes. Let's start with frames, right? Let's get to the meat of the matter. You've got the nice company logo over there. I like the white and blue sort of theme. It's very cool. Blue light filter, computer glasses. I love it. Yeah, and yeah, it's really cool. Really cool. I'm going to be putting a link to their company's website in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And of course, at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you what that's about as well. So let's get to it. Oh wow, that's nice. Oh, that's very nice. That's very nice. It comes in a very nice case as well, soft case, very protective. I like that. Let's see what the glass is. Actually, let me save this for last. That's what's in the box. So you get this nice digital eye strain fact sheet. Let's just get that to focus. Yeah, and it's got loads of scientific data about why blue light doesn't let you sleep well and stuff like that. Very cool. Oh, I love this. This is very useful. Now, this is something I want to show you guys that they talk about here. So you can see this heavy duty everyday clip-ons, right? So we're going to be getting to that. That's one of the surprises I had for you guys in this video, and one of the reasons why I think this company in particular is very cool. So they've got multiple stages of light blocking based on what kind of use you require. So if you're a heavy duty user, you can get the 95.8% heavy duty blocking. If you're just an everyday user, 30%, and you can get the clip-ons that add sort of 70% blocking to it as well. So yeah, that's really cool by them. I think that's very clever. So let's see what else is in the box. We've got the nice fiber cloth as well, and oh look, we've got this nice blue light torch. Yeah, you can use that to test the glasses. We'll do that in a moment. Yeah, that is very cool. Very nice touch, guys. Really cool. And a blue light testing card. Nice. Yeah, this is really cool. So they actually have instructions on there. Let me just get that. So it tells you what to do to get the testing ongoing. I'm going to actually do this. I'll try out the steps after showing you guys the glasses. So yeah, now guys, the moment of truth. Drum rolls. Alright, so this is sort of the leopard print color. Very cool. Let me show you guys. Can you guys see that? Very nice. Very compact. Feels very premium, right? The frames feel very solid. I feel like this is going to last a long time. Yeah, this is really nice. Really nice. And again, one thing I would say about the glasses is if you just see my finger beneath that, or let's actually bring something white over there, you can see it barely adds a yellow tint. Can you see that? It barely adds a yellow tint. I really like that about these glasses, and I hate computer glasses that make everything yellow. I do not want to see the entire world in yellow, but this is really cool, guys. This is so cool. Very solid frames, nice lens. We're going to try it on in a bit, but before we do, let's unbox the clip-ons. So I'm going to put this back into its case and set that aside. Right, now let's get to the clip-ons. We're going to do this test in a bit. Oh my word, this is amazing. Oh, whoa, what's this? There's two clip-ons. I was expecting just one. Okay, I like it. We're going to see what they are in a moment. We've got another set of fiber cloth, a microfiber cloth, and oh yeah, a thank you card from the cool guys over at Foxmans. Very cool. Thanks, guys. Yeah, let's see what we've got here. The first one, again, very nice bags as well for you to carry them in. They're not bulky. I once bought one pair from Amazon that came in a massive case. It was just such a pain to carry around. Ooh, look at this. I think these are the additional blue light blocking clip-ons, which are much more yellow, right? So if you want that additional protection, you unfortunately have to go yellow. Oh yeah, this is really cool. We're going to be trying that out in a bit. Let me set that aside as well. Put the bag aside. Then the second pair, which I believe should be the solar clip-ons, to turn these into some cool, oh come on, yes, to turn this into some cool sunglasses. Look at that. My goodness, I love it. I love it. Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. Oh my word. Look at that, guys. I love it. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. These are the additional blue light blocking clip-ons. These are the solar clip-ons for anyone to take your glasses outside and, you know, look cool like a stylish fox. Oh my word, yeah, this is super cool, guys. Now very quickly, let me do the blue light test real quick, and let's bring the glasses back. Following the instructions, use the blue light torch provided to shine blue light onto the testing area in the box on the right. The test area should turn blue when exposed to the torchlight. Now try shining the torch through your Foxman lens onto the test area. If the test area no longer turns blue, it demonstrates that your lenses are effectively filtering out HEV blue light. Do you know what? I like that they've done this, because you can actually test right away if this works. You know, other glasses, you sort of have to use them for a while, a few weeks, a few months even, to really see if there's any benefit for you. But my god, this is something else. Okay, so let's try it out then. So first off, let's see what it is. Okay, right, so that turns blue. I'm not sure how well you'd see that due to the camera's exposure, but yeah, the testing area does turn blue, and I guess you can see that translate over to the camera as well. Now let's do that through the lens, the frames. Let's do it this way, put that behind it, and you can see that, wow, it doesn't, it actually reflects back at me. That's very cool, by the way. No, I can't get it to turn blue at an angle either. Look at that, guys. Like if I do this, you can see it there. When I go past the lens, you can't see it anymore. Can you see that, guys? That is really cool. Wow. Do you see that? When I come through the bridge where there's a gap, you can actually see the light reflected behind. But when you go past the lens, you can't, because it's blocking it out. That's amazing. That's really well done. Wow. Okay. Anyway, guys, I'm going to be trying them on now. So yeah, let's see how they look. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be trying the glasses on now and see how they fit, how I like them. Let's just get that to focus, the star of the show. Oh my word, yeah, that feels good. Right, so that fits in. Again, see, one other thing I like about frames like this is when they fit well with my afro, because I've got lots of hair on the sides of my head, so I like to know that they fit in well. It's a very nice cozy fit, right? I mean, I guess over time it expands a little bit, but yeah, it feels really good on my face, right? And it doesn't seem to slide off. I can sort of move my head around and it's not sliding off or anything. So yeah, this is really good. It feels comfortable to look at. It's not making the world yellow. This might be the best blue light glasses I've seen. I mean, my god, yeah, this is very cool. Right now, and of course, in true stylish Fox fashion, I'm going to call myself a stylish Fox from now on. I just can't. How can I not? Right, let's try the clip-ons and see how they look. Right, so I'll be starting out with the solar clip-ons because I just can't resist. These over here, they look so cool. Right, like kind of like they've got this sort of aviator feel to them. So let me see how easy they are to snap on. Yeah, they're pretty easy to snap on. Right, you just sort of snap them on like that. Bang. Yeah, very easy to put on. It took me like a few seconds, and that was my first time. Now let's see how they look. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh my word, that looks good, and I can see pretty clearly too. So yeah, it doesn't feel weird or anything, and you'd barely be able to tell. Like, I reckon if you got these in black, right? Because personally, if I had bought these myself, I'd have got them in black because I always like getting things in black. This you won't be able to tell, like, from a distance, that you've got something clipped onto your face. This is so cool, guys. I mean, you don't have to spend additional money buying another pair of sunglasses. You can just use this. That's amazing. Right, let's try the other clip-ons and see how they look as well. So again, super easy to take off. Just like slide them off as well. Bang. Like 2 seconds. And then I'm going to try the blue light blocking clip-ons over here. Can you see them? Bam. Let's see. So just like put them on, slide them on gently. There we go. Oh my word, that looks like it feels solid as well. Yeah, it doesn't sort of shake around too much. Oh, hello. Wow. Yeah, that is heavy duty. This will block out all blue light. This looks good. It's everything's very yellow right now. Like, everything is super yellow. It's so trippy. Everything is very yellow. But no, this looks good. And it feels good too, right? I think this works. I mean, wow. Okay, I'm looking at my screen. It's not. It doesn't affect things too much. I mean, of course, it does make everything yellow, light sources and everything. Everything is a bit more yellow, but yeah, it feels good. I mean, I can actually see everything I'm working on, my screen, myself, my camera. Yeah, this isn't bad. Wow. Okay, that's it, guys. With the with the clip-on on. Well, let me just get it to focus. Oh, that's tough because it's seeing through the glasses. Oh, there we go. There we are. Look at that, guys. Oh my word, that is so cool. I think we just have the perfect thumbnail over there. So anyway, guys, that's been it, guys. I'll catch you stylish foxes later. Until then, as usual, be fantastic. I'll see you around. Cheers.